Good evening. I'm Trey Hutt. Welcome back to Facebook Live in our series Eating the Elephant, Hurricane Tips from Hurricane Michael. Again, for those of you that are not familiar with what we're doing, on Sunday afternoons we're going to start giving a little bit of advice for how to navigate the process of insurance claims and insurance issues in the wake of Hurricane Michael. And midweek, at some point, depending on what's going on, everything is evolving pretty quickly still in this town. We will give a little bit shorter format and some other tips. Wanted to let you know a couple things tonight. We're going to keep this fairly quick. The first thing that I wanted to let everybody know is at this point in the process, people are beginning to get frustrated because they feel like they're working for the companies, working for insurance companies, working for contractors. You as the homeowner or business owner that has had damage, you need to have people working for you. Whether that's your contractor, whether that is someone that's a consultant for you, whether that's your agent, whether that's your adjuster. People need to work for you. You have to understand something. Everyone in this process is getting paid for what they do. You're not. You're the person that's injured and is supposed to be being served. So don't feel guilty about calling people. Don't feel guilty about, don't feel like you're bothersome. You need to get on the road here to advocating for yourself. You need to call your insurance provider. You need to call your contractor. You need to call your insurance agent. You need to be the person that is asking people to do things for you because they're getting paid to do it. And I think it's just that simple. I know that sounds a little bit crass to some folks probably, but people need to be working for you now. And you don't need to be cleaning up your own yard anymore. You need to be having people do things for you and being willing to pay them for it, because the insurance company in general should be reimbursing you for those kinds of things. We're all tired. We're all worn out. And let's try to be efficient, as I've said before, with our energies and our time. Something I wanted to offer to people that we just kind of came across today, we're trying to collect assets for folks. Like we're trying to get good tarpon tree people. We're trying to bring folks from the insurance department in to help for people that are maybe not being treated properly and need some assistance from state agencies. We've come across something else today that I thought would be worthy of a little bit of time tonight, and that's North Florida Home Inspections. It's not someone that I have a financial relationship with or a client relationship with, but they're people that are local that have been here for a very long time, and Matt Kelly is the owner of this business, and what he has offered is his expertise. He is a licensed mold inspector, and he is someone that is familiar with construction techniques. I can help you with insurance, but I'm not a guy that knows how to bang nails or knows how to build a house. So what we're going to do is we're going to post some information from Matt and Matt's firm. They're local people. They're not charging exorbitant prices. They're doing some things for free and for very modest fees. And what they've offered to do is to help people navigate the construction process in a way that I simply can't. They've offered to be out on site with people at damaged homes when they're meeting with contractors, and they can help them vet contractors and see who's good and who's bad. They can help them decide what kind of contracts are reasonable to sign and who are not. I'm not suggesting they're attorneys, and I'm not suggesting they're general contractors who can build your house, but what they can do is give you a knowledgeable point of view with really very little or no skin in the game as far as money. But what they do have an interest in is helping us rebuild this community, and I think that's very important. So, again, we'll come back to you on Sunday with a little bit more information, a little more specifics about the insurance side of things. But again, we'll post something probably mid-morning tomorrow with some good contact information for these guys. If you have specific needs, please do us a favor and either post them to our Facebook page or shoot us some questions, and so we can address the specific needs of you, your family, your friends, business owners, and all our neighbors here in Bay County. And we're going to wrap this up tonight, and we'll see you on Sunday.